Dad. Hello. Wow, such a nice apple tree. Wow. Mm-hmm. Who is there? Who is there? Let's make apple pickle. Today, these are cut apples, 4 cups of apples, any crunchy apple. These are Cortland apple. And for tempering, you need everything 1 teaspoon, fenugreek seeds, mustard seeds, cumin seeds, turmeric, red chili, and cumin powder, 1 stick of cinnamon, and 4-6 cloves. Now let's start tempering. Take in a flat pan 4 tablespoons of oil, now add fenugreek seeds first and wait for 30 seconds. Let it get toasted. Then add cinnamon sticks, now the mustard seeds, cloves, cumin seeds, and pinch of the stick. All other ingredients add it now. Stove is off. And now our tempering is ready. Now add all our apples. And fry for 2 minutes. I'm taking a big spoon stove is on low. Now after 2 minutes, apples look like this. It's on low to medium heat. I'm frying. Now because apples are sour, add at least 4 tablespoons of sugar. If you like more, you can add even more. And 4 tablespoons of salt. And fry again for 2 more minutes. 3 and 4. This is sugar. Fry. And now I am adding salt. This is salt. This pickle takes more salt and more sugar and also more oil. Now total 5 minutes I am frying. Just fry 1 more minute and the pickle is done. This will shrink little bit, and after 2 to 3 hours you can transfer it into a jar. Now it's giving its color, nice color. Switch off the stove and wait for 2 to 3 hours. Let it cool down completely and then transfer into a jar and top up with some more oil. Always keep this pickle in the fridge and enjoy. Okay, now I am transferring it into a jar. It's better if you have a glass container. It's better to store in a glass container. This will last long for 6 weeks, 6 to 8 weeks maximum, and always keep it in the fridge. So apple pickle is done. Enjoy. Thank you for watching. Bye.